Hi guys and welcome back to my video. This is Mike Dave Yap and sa araw na to mag-unbox tayo, review, and sound test sa ating bagong Awei Y669 Bluetooth speaker. 31 watts, waterproof, mukha naman siyang JBL at nasa 1,350 pesos po siya. So, before we get started, sa gusto ng sound test lang talaga, matik agad na sound test, ilalagay ko sa baba yung timestamps para sa ating sound test. So right now, pupunta na tayo sa ating pag-unbox and review. So may kabigatan yung speaker na to. It's available on Lazada and Shopee for 1,350 pesos. It's the lowest so far I've seen on Shopee and Lazada. And yung original price nito is around 1,800 siguro from Awei talaga. But for others, it's anyways, I'll just put down the link down for anyways, ilalagay ko lang sa baba yung link ng Awei Y669 na Bluetooth speaker para mas makamura kayo at the same time hindi kayo magsawa at worth it talaga. So, TWS, it means pwede ka mag-pair ng dalawang Awei Y669 IPX7. Music play is 12 hours, so depende lang talaga yan sa music genre. At yung 12 hours na kiniklaim nila is at 50% volume. So average or normal volume lang niya. And also it depends on talaga sa genre na you play. If EDM, that would vary. Tingnan natin yung specs. Sa likod, may iba't ibang mga languages dito. So yung English, naka-Bluetooth 5.0 na siya. And meron siyang meron siyang auxiliary, which is very good for a speaker like this one. Yung Anchor Soundcore Motion Boom ko is walang auxiliary. So Bluetooth pure lang talaga siya. So one of the settings for Motion Boom. Then, yung style nito is a 2.1 system. Ang speaker power niya is 31 watts, pero para sa akin, it's around underpowered. Parang 30 watts lang talaga yung max power niya. Kasi may dalawang 8 watts. So ito, sa front na, may 8 watts. Yung sa woofer is nasa likod. Yun ay 15 watts. 2.1 sound system. Then, yung frequency response niya is 100 Hz to 20 kHz, but I'm not so sure about that from testing. It can go down as low as mga 60 or 50 Hz, pero yung rating ng sa woofer niya is 100 Hz. Then, yung charging power niya is 5 volts through micro USB. So, wala tayong USB Type-C dito. Micro USB pa rin. So, the battery capacity is only 2,200 milliamps. Though, medyo may kaliitan, pero okay na. Kasi most of the Bluetooth speakers na masyadong mura is around 1,200 milliamperes or less. Ito naka 2,200. So anyway, you can just if mahilig ka mag DIY kagaya ko, we can upgrade this one to a higher capacity. And then yung charging time niya from 0 to 100 is 4 hours, and yung Bluetooth transmission niya is 8 to 12 meters away. So ayun, yun ang kabuuang specs ng Awei sa box niya. At sa likod dito, meron tayong QR code para sa warranty niya. So ayan. So here's the speaker, but before that, tingin muna tayo sa ito. When you open it, parang walang laman, but meron talaga, may nakatago. Ito, ang auxiliary, micro USB to USB Type A, and then yung manual niya. So yung actually the colors that are available for this one is black, blue, red, and then the camouflage. Ang kinuha ko is yung camouflage para medyo mas unique. And then may lanyard tayo, which is very great. Kasi mabigat yung speaker, pwede mo siya dalhin kahit saan saan. But I'm not so sure kung gaano katibay yung lalagyan niya kasi mabigat yung speaker. So just be careful na lang. Then, ito yung feet ng speaker. And andito yung charging port, micro USB, and then yung auxiliary. So, medyo mahirap kung wala kang koko, mahirap itong i-open. So, ayan, open ko na. Hindi ko sure if kita niyo. So, micro USB, and then auxiliary port. So, waterproof ito. So, tight seal talaga. Andito yung logo natin, dalawang speakers para sa ating mid-range and treble. At sa likod ay isang 2.5 inch na subwoofer na 15 watts. So, all in all, 31 watts, pero para sa akin yung actual power na is below than 31 watts. So, let's say 30 watts na siya. Then, sa gilid niya is yung passive radiators, which is medyo matigas compared sa ibang speakers. So, medyo hindi siya, for starters, medyo when you're at the dark, hindi siya masyadong nakikita yung label niya. So, I'll guide you through. Ito yung power off and on button niya. Long press niyo lang siya for on and off. And then, ito, volume rockers. At yung sa gitna is yung play and pause. And then, yung TWS na button para mag-connect at mag-pair sa ikalawang Awei Y669 na Bluetooth speaker. So, try natin i-on. Nung press mo siya.
Power on.
Ayun. So, ito yung battery indicator at ito yung indicator para sa Bluetooth niya if nakakonect ka or na-pairing mode siya. Isa sa mga magandang features nito is yung automatic power off niya. Pag hindi mo siya ginagamit, kahit nakasaksak siya or naka-connect siya sa Bluetooth mo, automatic siyang mag-off after 5 minutes or so. So, nakaka-save siya ng power. Instead, always siya naka-on at nag-waste siya ng power. So, I really like this feature. After 5 minutes na hindi mo siya ginagamit, automatic siya mag-turn off to save power. So, maganda siya na feature. Mostly, para sa akin, plastic ito, yung protector or sides ng passive radiator. So, pwede mo siyang mapa-vertical. Parang rubberized yung texture niya. One of the downsides lang kasi ng plastic na coated with rubber is that over time, it's also a scratch magnet. So, madali mo siyang ma-scratch. At the same time, after like a few years or so, matatanggal na yung rubber coating niya. So, one of the downsides I see. Ito, pure itong, rubber ito. Also, from the top, rubber din itong mga switches niya. So, one of the things na medyo ayaw ko na sa speaker is kailangan mo tanggalin yung lanyard para maging totally flat siya. Kasi it's in the way. And in order to straighten it, need mo siyang parang mahirap. So, for listening on a table and naka-direct sa'yo, pwede mo siyang islant. Yun. Actually, ganito yan. Pero I would prefer this way. If you're listening it close to you directly. So ngayon, let's go into the sound test na. I'm sure marami na naghihintay para sa isang sound test. So let's go!
So
Okay, so that was my sound test sa Awei Y669. At 60% volume, napakaganda ng sound quality niya for 1,350 pesos. And maraming mga ibang speakers dyan na medyo cringy yung sound. Pero para sa akin, yung sound quality niya is amazing. Though hindi siya ganun ka-refined, but I can really recommend this to anyone that's looking for a cheap, yet, hindi naman medyo cheap, pero affordable siya at the same time. So I can really recommend this to anyone na naghahanap ng affordable na Bluetooth speaker, waterproof, and at the same time, napakalakas at maganda yung sound quality niya. When charging, dito sa baba, pag na-charge ka, just to remind you na andito yung charging indicator light niya, red siya. When naka-full, so pag full na siya, wala na yung red na light. Mas maganda sana if yung charging indicator niya is andito. Ito kasi yung battery life niya, yung light indicator is yung battery battery life niya. Maganda sana kung dito na nilalagay yung charging indicator. Sadly, may charging light indicators na dito sa baba, which is makes no sense. Maganda sana if dito na lahat. Yung quality ng lanyard niya is parang pang shoelace. Shoelace talaga yung quality niya, pero ang pangit. Pero it's not fully like the downside of this one kasi you can actually mod or make a new lanyard. You can use any type of lanyard you like for this speaker. Ito is yung, it comes with this own lanyard, but you can use another type of lanyard. So yun yung review ko sa Awei Y669 speaker, which is very affordable, 31 watts, waterproof, mukha siyang JBL na speaker, and at the same time, it's only 1,350 pesos, which is very affordable for this type of speaker. Lalagay ko sa baba yung link, sa Shopee link ng speaker nito para madali mo siyang matuntun, at the same time, mas nakakamura ka kasi merong iba dyan na medyo mahal yung selling price nito. I'll put the link down below and you can just automatically buy it. So, yun yung review ko ng Awei Y669 speaker. I highly recommend this speaker right now in 2021 or more on 2022. So, yun lang yung sasabihin ko. That's it and bye for now!